up, world?
Hey, how are you? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time popping by, you are so welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you get that bell notification each time I drop some new, dope, stunning, extra, super, debadocious videos. Yes, your girl's extra, so if you're just tuning in, you're welcome. And if you guys are my returning subscribers, honey, how you doing? So as you guys can see by today's title, I decided to film a highly requested video. But this has been one of my highly requested videos. I put up a poll on my Instagram asking you guys what you guys would like to see me film, and 90% of you guys asked for hair videos because I see this is me securing her wig, so I decided to film it. So I'm taking you guys step by step and telling you guys what products I use for my hair and how I get it looking this sleek without having any unicorn standing out. And if you guys would also like me to film this tutorial on how I did my makeup, don't forget to tell me in the comment section. So if you guys would like to get secured, you know, yes, 2019 we have to secure the bag, honey. We also need to secure the wig. I know Meek Mill said he tired of the wigs and all of that, but we don't care, do we? No, we don't. We keeping the wigs. They're staying. At Meek Mill, the collection is just about to grow. Tell me something now. So if you guys would like to get all wigged up and looking all slaying, because you know I cannot slay on my own, we have to slay together as a community, as sisters, you know. Don't forget to keep watching, and don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and share. Yes, share. Yes, you yes, you. Don't forget to share. Until next time, guys. Bye. So I'll be pinning my wig onto my head, my wig head of course, just to make sure that the wig is still in place and doesn't move when I start to blow dry it. You guys can see I've had curls on for quite some time, so I'll then be going in with my blow dry to kind of straighten out and kind of lessen out the curls so that it's easier for me to then straighten the hair and to also make it a bit lighter, because sometimes curls do tend to actually make your hair just a little bit heavy, so we're straightening and all that. Next up, I will then be parting my hair, making sure that I've got the right parting, as I will be giving a side part for this particular hairstyle. And then I'll be going in and straightening my hair. I'll be taking in smaller parts of the hair rather than giving it thick parts. So I'll be taking in the smaller parts and straightening the hair, making sure that it is fully straightened, just to make sure that we have that sleek look. So once the hair is fully straightened, because remember I've had my hair curly for a while and it tends to get a bit heavy once you have the hair curls on for a while. So straightening it out does actually make it a bit softer and lighter too. So right after that, you guys can see the hair has been straightened really well. I'll then be going in with my hair curler, and I'll just be using the tip to put down all my hairs that are standing up and to make the hair look more sleek so that it does look more flat, so none of the hairs are sticking out. I will show you guys the technique that I use to make sure that my hair is straight and sleek too. So you guys can see it is on 400. That's the highest it can go to. And you guys can see the hair is starting to get flat and the sticky hairs are no longer showing. Okay, so the items you will need. So this is a brush that I use. You guys can see it's got hairs on it though, but I do clean it once in a while. So this is a brush that I use. I use this normally to blow dry the hair with, as you guys saw in the video when I was prepping my hair. Then I use this brush. The bristles are very sharp in this brush. I don't know where I got it. It's my mom's actually, so she gave it to me. And then I use this to brush my hair with. I actually use 3 brushes, and then I use this on my day-to-day use. And then of course you need a tooth comb. This, excuse me, you'll need this to do your partings. You can actually use a tooth comb, the combs that have a very long stick on the end, to part your hair, but I use this because this is what I have. You will need a toothbrush. It is dirty because it's what I use to lay my edges on my natural hair and on my wigs. You will need a tweezer. This is what you'll use to pluck out any unwanted hairs on the sides. It needs to be a very sharp tweezer. This is extremely sharp. It plucks out the hair very quick and fast, and I absolutely love that. You will need your Schwarzkopf got to be glued. This is the yellow one. This is a sticky spiking glue, and it is water resistant. Yeah, it is, only depending on how much water you actually get in contact with, but it doesn't last that long. So this retails for like $4.99, either your local ShopRite or your local Walgreens, CVS pharmacy, or your Rite Aid, or beauty supply stores. I think beauty supply stores will be more expensive. I think it's $6.99. And then Schwarzkopf got to be glued. This is the ultra glued styling gel. I like this one because it's more invisible. Well, it's invincible too. How about that? And this is very white. You can see I've practically used the entire bottle. Like, it's really thin. This, ever since I actually came into contact with this, I absolutely really love it because, wow, it really does hold. Like, when it holds, listen, it really holds the wig. And it lasts me about, I had my wig on for like Sunday, today's Thursday. I've had it on for like 5 days now. Oh, why the hell am I like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday? It's 5 days. Yeah, I've had it on for 5 days. I literally had to take it off because I had to prep my wig up for today's tutorial. Oh yes, I need alcohol as well to remove. And then I'm using my Fenty Beauty setting powder, and that setting powder, I'll show you guys how I'm going to use it. That's a lot you need. You need a little concealer brush. This is obviously to just conceal and make your hairline more natural and make it more identical to your natural hairline. And then obviously you need concealers. The concealer that I will be using here will be this shade right here, between this shade or this shade, between these 3 alternative shades, because I feel like those shades will match my hairline better. And then of course you need some alcohol. Put on a cotton pad just to remove any unwanted glue that's just gonna stick onto your skin. And last but not least, you need some styling gel. You don't really, if you want to use your got to be glue to create your hair, your baby hairs, that's sis, if it floats your boats, honey, do it. But I was using that before, but now I decided to use this because it's easier to wash out, because trust me, the glue does stick on, like really stick on. And then you'll need your hairstyling tools, obviously. So what I like to use is, this is on, I need to be careful, a flat hair straightener. This is what I use, and this is Wet to Straight. I don't know what brand this is actually. Oh, it's Remington. I don't know how much this retails for. You can use any hair straightener that you have. It really doesn't matter what brand it is. And then I have this Vivitar curling tool. Surprisingly, I got this for $10. Normally, like really good hair curlers like cost about, let me be realistic, about $20 plus. If you're looking for an extremely good brand, trust me, you're probably spending around $50 or $100 maybe. That's the max, but I got this for $10. I was very skeptical as to how it will actually curl my hair when I got it. Trust me, I was so impressed. I was super shook because I actually didn't want to take this one. I wanted to take another one, which was like $15. I took this, crossing my fingers, and trust me, like my curls stayed on like the entire day. Like literally the entire day. So Vivitar, if you have a former mills close by you, sis, get moving. And last but not least, of course, you need a wig. What you gonna do without a wig if you have all these wig tools? What? Like, Okay, I'm done being stupid, so let's get into it. Okay, so here is my wig. This is a, how many inches was this when I made it? It was a 22 inch at the bottom. I had, how many bundles? I had a 22, I had a 16, I had a 14, and then I bought an 14 ear to ear frontal, and yeah, made the wig myself. The hair is really good, especially like once it's all washed out and you like blow dry it and curl it or straighten it. It is literally super sleek. You guys can see there's the ear to ear frontal on the side. I still also ear to ear. So what I like to then do before I actually like put it on, obviously it needs to match my skin tone and my hairline. I take my powder brush, and I'll be using my Laura Mercier powder brush. I'll take my setting spray, and I'll just take a little bit of that. And then I will be putting it right on top of this hairline here. You guys can see the hairline that's there, and I will just be buffering it on the line. For my hair, firstly, I'm just going to tell you this now. A girl is not moneyed. I do not have money to go and pay $25 to go get lines plaited in my hair. If I can do it myself, why not? So I plait up some really big lines on my hair. So as you guys can see, it is a little bit dirty. I need to relax my hair. I haven't relaxed my hair in like 6 months plus. So yeah, your girl tried to go natural. It's an epic fail. So you guys can see my hair is very, like, I've got very coarse hair, and these lines are quite big. I don't know how to plait the really tiny, slim, thin lines. So first up, I will be going in with my Schwarzkopf. I like that name, Schwarzkopf. Sounds like a German. So I'm taking a little bit. You guys can see it is transparent, which is pretty cool. That's why I absolutely love it. So what I'll be doing now is putting it right above my hairline, not exactly on my hairline. I'll just be putting it right over here, because sis, we don't want our hairline to go, right? That's the rule. Hairline is life. So when drying this, you'll need it to be a little bit tacky, not so much. So you'll just dry it up, let it get a bit tacky, and then once it dries up, you'll literally feel it. If it's a bit sticky, then that's perfect. If it's gonna be too wet, it's not gonna stick on your hair. Like, the wig won't stick on too well. So trust me, this is ultra. They're not playing when they say ultra glue. They know what they were talking about. Okay, so then I will be going in with my Schwarzkopf Got to Be Glue Blasting Freeze spray. You guys can see that. And then I'll just be spraying a little bit on my okay. Wow, that was a lot of heat. So now you guys can see, now it's tacky, and it's once you see that it's getting a little bit white on the sides, then you know it's okay for you to then lay your wig. So once you lay your wig, you still dry it up a little bit. hot, we're going to take our concealer, and like I said, I'm going to use between these 3 shades. Clearly I'm a bit darker, so we are going to go for this shade over here. So for my edges, I'm going in with my Echo Styling Gel. You guys can practically see it's almost finished, because I like to lay my edges. I'm going to take a little bit of those hairs. Okay, that's a lot of styling gel. Don't be like me, I say a little and then I take a lot, so yeah. So I'll go back in with my brush, and then I'll brush up my hair, obviously. So now that our hair is all sleek and straight, we're then going to go in with our curler. Because it's hot, and remember, what we're trying to do is push down all these sticky, static hairs that are sticking out. So you're going to press it. This is to keep the hair and the wig looking more sleek. So I'll be going back in with my hair curler and just flattening the hair a little bit more, just to make sure that the hair does stay flat on my head. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to take a little bit of this hair and I push it back like inwards, just to kind of give it more of a natural kind of feel. You know, gotta get those sideburns going, sis, you know what I'm saying? And then to kind of like stop all these frizzy hairs from like falling down, I use my Got To Be Glued. I spray it on top, it falls, and then I use it to flatten out any extra hairs. Sometimes it literally like falls on my face, but yeah. You guys can see the hairs are down just a little bit, but yeah, they're trying to behave. So I'm gonna push the camera back. This is a 14 inch. This is a 24 or 22 inch. I'm not so sure, but when I got it was a 24. So right now it's either could maybe it's on 22 or 18 inch. So this is the hair when I am done styling it. So you guys have seen how I style my wig. So if you guys would like for me to film more of these videos, you guys should definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. And don't forget, honey, secure that wig, okay? So yeah, guys, this is how I lay my wigs. So if you guys would like to see more of these videos, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to share. You know, that sister out there might need her wig secured, so